I am down here in our aluminum shop. It has damage on the bedside right here. It requires heat in order to get the metal to move.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already yo.
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
This one got hit dead center in the back. Well, it looks like I got this one all fit together. All my gaps look really nice and even. It shuts and latches nicely, seals good. So this one is ready to go ahead and weld together. So I'm going to pull everything back off. I'm going to give the bumper and the lift gate over to our paint department so they could go ahead and paint those. And I'm going to go ahead and get this one welded together. Then they'll come back later and cut in the rear body panel and the floor and everything. So pull this one back apart and get to welding. So this is cavity wax, and it sprays in a 360-degree pattern, and I'm going to hose it inside of all the tight areas to protect any bare metal inside of here where I welded, where you can't get to the backside. You can see right here how it sprays in every direction. Works great for corrosion protection. I am down here in our aluminum shop. I have one of the aluminum bodied F-150s here. It has damage on the bedside right here. Pretty minor. It's pushed in across here. You can see a crown going up across here. So as I work this metal out, I'll flatten out this crown at the same time. Then it has a small tear in the aluminum right here. So once I get it kind of worked out, I'll have to get the welder out and weld that tear up. and get this bedside fixed up. That's the only repair on this one. It's just this bedside. Whenever you are working aluminum, it requires heat in order to get the metal to move. So I'm gonna put this heat lamp on it for a little bit, then I'll move it away and I'll work out the dent, and then I'll have to probably put the heat back on it a couple times. Sometimes using a heat lamp covers more area rather than using a heat gun. So I'm gonna use this rather than trying to cover all that area with a heat gun. So you probably won't be able to see this, but there's a tiny crack going right across here. I'm gonna weld up real fast and finish that out. So I want to fit this molding up to make sure it sits and snaps in correctly across there. Looks like it fits just like it's supposed to. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my fill work on this bottom portion here and get this one knocked out.